We are now in Gaza, Al Khidmat organization. For 11 days, Gaza Strip imposed two airstrikes and aggression against the innocent people here in Gaza resulted more than 230 martyrs and thousands of injuries. In addition to more than 50,000 people have been evacuated their homes under the huge shelling. This increased the requirements for the humanitarian intervention in Gaza to achieve the people requirements like food and mattresses, in addition to the most important intervention field, which is the medical field. We hope and we appeal all of the people around the world, especially the internal donors for Al Khidmat organization, to support their intervention in Gaza Strip because it has a sustainable vision towards mitigating the suffering of those people that evacuated their homes under the shelling and during this aggression. Thank you so much.